The Real Cubisma. Welcome to the growing list of channel members. To me, discussion on the future development of aircraft in our industry can always be fascinating, studying where aircraft manufacturers are headed and what they believe following discussions with customers is the right direction, highlights how important moving forward truly is, and always exploring just what is next. Airbus acquiring the A220, which was formerly known as the C Series many years ago, has seen them reap many rewards with hundreds of customer orders. While it's had its operational difficulties, especially felt in the United States, and its own supply chain problems as well, it is still for the most part shone, and customers are calling out for a new adaptation of the series, one that would be larger and cover more of a gap between the current A220-300 and the A320neo, a bigger A220, and what has been dubbed as the A220-500, with news emerging that we could be closing in on that all-important launch, following executives commenting to key investors over launching such a plane, and a very important report from Reuters. This would be Airbus's first major body design change to the A220 since acquiring it. Obviously, a new variant is monumental, and interestingly enough, there's always been plans for a -500 variant, even back to the CS500 days, as it was known at the time, which would have, of course, been the third member of the family, and the largest one too, with an increased seat capacity. Discussions also continue around customers eyeing an A220-500 for their operations, with many openly coming out and expressing interest in the past year, especially some crucial carriers in Europe. So now it would seem we're getting closer, or at least Airbus are moving closer to really making their mind up on that launch. While the chief executive said the aircraft made much sense, he also said they wanted the time to launch to be perfect. The last thing they'd want to happen is to launch the new variant at the wrong time and subsequently not see the performance that they were expecting. They want to wait for the opportune moment, while no doubt finalizing and researching the aircraft itself and also fine-tuning ways to peak performance and more before that eventual announcement. Filling the various holes in the narrow-body market can be difficult, and that's where Airbus sees potential in the market with this A220-500. But of course, it would be a lengthy period before it does arrive, and at that point, airlines would be potentially exploring replacements for some of their oldest neo aircraft. That's how far we're looking forward into the future, as per Reuters. So especially now, we're taking a look at the 2030s more so. It's an intriguing proposition, and it seems like something Airbus is genuinely very, very interested in. So therefore, I'm keen to hear your take on the matter, and thoughts as well. Is the A220-500, as it is affectionately known, truly the best option for Airbus moving forward to combat the single-aisle demand and eventually replace some of the aging aircraft? And of course, join the already existing A220 family. Let me know down below in the comments. Thanks very much for tuning in, and a massive shout out to my continued cabin crew and flight operations members that support the channel, future funding, and of course, the website that is coming very soon, the brand refresh, and the new channel. I really do appreciate each and every single one of you that also just tunes into videos. Do take care, do be safe, and I will see you next time.